You must have had this thought. How weird is fibromyalgia? Yesterday I filmed with another YouTuber and I'm really looking forward to bringing you that video. But it was a long shoot and I was quite tired afterwards as well. So understandably I woke up with a headache today. But I also woke up with really painful legs, which is completely strange. Why would my legs be hurting when my brain was overwhelmed yesterday or a bit tired yesterday? So if you're going through this, or if you've had this experience where you've done one thing, you expect a little bit of repercussion from it, but the repercussion is somewhere totally different. You're not alone. You're not the only one. This is just a natural part of fibromyalgia. So today I am going to take it easy. I'm spending some time in the garden, listening to the birds and relaxing and calming my system down before we get back to the business of packing up the house for moving. So please understand, you're not alone, and it's really important at times like this to look after yourself, take a rest before you carry on with your day, even if it's just half an hour of meditation or a bit of a walk just to ease your symptoms and to take your mind to a different place. So that's where I'm at today. How are you doing? Let me know in the comments. And until next time, take care of yourself and be well.